Hey everybody, it's Mark. Well, I hope I find you guys getting ready to enjoy a happy New Year celebration. Be safe and courteous to each other. I can't wait to see you guys in 2025. All right. Well, I went out last night just for 1 hour, just before the sun went down, and just wanted to get out. I didn't know if I was going to get out again this year, and I probably won't. It's not very nice outside. So, this is what happened. 1 hour, had a little fun. So check it out. Again, have a happy new year, you guys. Thank you for all your support in 2024, and I can't wait for 2025. Enjoy, and I'll see you guys real soon. Take it easy. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's 4:07. It is December 30th. Yeah, it's the 30th. Wow. This year's almost over. We have 1 hour to fish until darkness, I think, maybe a little longer. Water temperature's about 51 degrees. It's been that for a couple weeks. That's pretty standard issue right now. That could change here though. We could get a rapid decrease. Nice. Got one on the jerkbait. What do we got here? A little smallie? I can't tell. We got some stained water. It feels like a little smallmouth. Yes, it is. How about that? A baby smallmouth. End of the year. Wow. On my new rod even. That's a brand new rod. I just opened it. Mr. Smallmouth, go get bigger. We got one on the jerkbait. That's that Guggen squat, 3 to 5 foot. Nothing fancy here. Just casting it right up on the shore. I'm gonna keep doing some work on the shoreline, see what we can get. That fish wasn't 15 inches, so I'm not gonna weigh it for weight. Let's go back and do some more jerkbait fishing. That's crappie though. You guys, I want to catch a goddamn crappie. Hold on, let me put on something more appropriate for these crappies. I got crappie here. I invested. I do want to catch one though on one of these Bob Mustafa. Bob Mustafa made these for me. I don't know if you guys can even see me where the camera's pointed, but if you can't, we're gonna put on, it's blue and orange. Not even gonna go into why I use that color. It's not what you think. Not even friggin' close. Has more to do with things that take gasoline. But ourselves a really nice largemouth. A big spot. Big spotted bass. Look at that. Dang, we're having a nice. Wow. Ooh. That's a nice spot. All right, buddy. That's at least a 2+ pound spot. Yeah, finesse. It's a walleye. We got a walleye. God dang. Look at that. Now we're getting meat. It's not quite big enough, but shoot. Not bad for our little new. I don't know how you'd say that. Not bad for our little New Year's Eve pre-party. He ain't 18 inches though, so we're gonna end up tossing him back, but we're not gonna let him get us. You grab these walleye there right behind his eyeballs there and pinch his gills shut, and you can articulate without getting destroyed. All right, little Ned rig there. That guy came right out of that tree. That walleye was chilling in this tree. Be careful too, they have teeth. But cool. Little basically shad pattern Ned rig. Somebody's fucking with my truck. See that car right there? I was sitting out there in the lake looking straight across, and this car came down like right up against my truck. My truck was the only one at our little ramp in the neighborhood. It's an older Ford teal. Like I'm talking like a 40s or 50s truck. Anyway, I don't know if they were doing anything wrong. They probably came down there to make out, and I was in the way. So anyway, no harm, no foul. Have a great day. Take it easy.